Okay, for the question for A, it wants us to find the probability that randomly chosen student is taking Spanish. So we have the total student is 100 and there are 50 French students and 30 German students. So we know the total of Spanish student is equal to 20 students. So the probability to choose one Spanish student from 100 is probability is equal to 20 students of Spanish divided by 100 total students, and we will get 0.2.
Male taking Spanish, we can use conditional probability. The mean is the probability that an event will occur given that another event has already occurred. From that, we can write P, probability of male given taking Spanish. We can write 20 per 100 times to 6 per 20. From the probability, we can get this from 3 diagram, and from that we can get 0.2 times to 0.3. And when we calculate this probability, we can get 0.06 for male taking Spanish.
First, we have 3 courses: French, German, and Spanish. We have 50 students of French, 30 German, and 20 Spanish, and the total is 100. After that, percentage of students who choose a French course is 0.7, and the remaining, that is who's not applied the university, is 0.3. And for German, who has applied the university is 0.8, and the remaining is 0.2. And for Spanish, who has applied the university is 0.6, and the remaining is 0.4. Question C wants us to find the student that applied for university, which is mean the total probability of French, German, and Spanish. First, we find probability for French, which is 0.7 multiply 0.5. It's mean 0.7 is who has applied the universities, and multiply with 0.5, that is number of French students over all students. So we get the answer, that is 0.35. Also, we do the same thing for the probability German. 0.3 multiply with 0.8 equal to 0.24, and for probability Spanish, 0.2 multiply with 0.6, then we get 0.12. So for the last step, we sum all of the probability for the German, Spanish, and French, then we get the answer 0.71. So that's all.
Question D. It wants us to find probability of student that applied for university is studying French. So we write probability studying French given by student applied for university is equal to probability of studying French over probability of student that applied for university, which is give us 0.35 over 0.71, and the last answer is 0.49.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir Hamzah bin Muhammad.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nina Adrina binti Nik Supreme. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Izan binti Wan Azal Zaki.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maizata Asmida binti Abdul Hashim.
Okay, good evening. We are gonna discuss about the question 2 from the set A. First, we read the question. An ad hoc committee consisting of 4 members is chosen from 5 lecturers and 3 students. Find the number of ways if the committee is made of 2 lecturers and 2 students.
Excuse me, I want to ask you about this question. Is this question using permutation or combination?
This question actually using combination rather than the permutation, because this question want us to choose but not arrange. So we proceed to the calculation, which means that we write 5 chosen 2. It means that we choose 2 from the 5 lecturers. We multiply it with 3 choose 2, which is mean we choose 2 students from the 3 students. So we are gonna have 30 ways to choose for the committee members.
For question B, we want to choose not more than 3 lecturers. So we must choose less than 3 lecturers. For example, 3 lecturers, 2 lecturers, and 1 lecturer. For case 1, we want to choose 3 lecturers and 1 student. So we choose 3 lecturers from 5 lecturers multiplied by 1 student from 3 students. For case 2, we want to choose 2 lecturers and 2 students. So we choose 2 lecturers from 5 lecturers multiplied by 2 students from 3 students. For case 3, we want to choose 1 lecturer from 5 lecturers. So multiply by 3 lecturers, 3 students from 3 students. So after we plus case 1, case 2 and case 3, we can get 65 ways to choose the at least 3 lecturers.
For third question, it states at least 1 lecturer and 1 student. So the way we can use is we choose a combination way. First step is we take 5 choose 1 multiply with 3 choose 3 plus 5 choose 2 multiply 3 choose 2 plus 5c 3 multiply 3c1. It means we choose for 5 choose 1 multiply with 3 choose 3. It means we choose 1 of 5 lecturers and multiply with 3 choose 3. It means we choose 3 from student of members to form 4 of member commit, and also it's same for another sentence. So we can another case. So we need to sum all of the combination that we made to get the final way to make committee. Then we get the answer is 65.
Excuse me, is there any other ways to calculate this question?
Yes, we can, for the easy step, we can use a table. We can make, let's say we choose 1 lecturer and we need 3 students to form a 4-member committee. And for second layer, let's say we choose 2 lecturers, so we need another 2 students. Lastly, we choose 3 lecturers and 1 student for the community. We cannot choose only 4 lecturers to make a committee because the conditions state that we need at least 1 student. Okay, for the question D, it said that all the committee members must be all lecturers. So the student doesn't involve in this committee. So we directly write 5C4, which is mean we choose 4 from the 5 lecturers. And after we calculate it, we can get 5 ways to build the committee.
From question E, we choose 1 particular lecturer and 1 particular student. The number of ways if the committee is made is 4 members. So from 5 lecturers, we can subtract with 1 because we choose 1 particular lecturer. And from 3 students, we subtract with 1 because we choose 1 particular student. And from this, we can get 6 members that not choose. So the total of the lecturer and student that is not choose is 6 people. So from the total 6 people, we will choose 2 to complete the members that is 4 members. From the total, we can get 1 choose 1 multiplied by 1 choose 1 multiplied by 6 choose 2 from the students and lecturer that has not choose, and we can get 15 ways. That's all from us. Thank you.